Absolute. Alright, today I'm about to make Mama's ramen noodles in the microwave. Some of you have been writing me saying that you need to know how to cook them in the microwave. Well, here I am to save the day. Mama!
Yes?
I'm about to make some your ramen noodles in the microwave.
Alright, boy, you better make them good.
Alright, so I'm about to make it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open these up right here and pull out some of the ramen noodle right here, and I'm just going to place them into the bowl. Alright, and then I'm going to get some of the crunchies. Look at the crunchies. Tasty. Tasty. Alright, and so the packets right here, I'm going to set this to the side, and then I'm going to add some water to the ramen noodles up to the line, right about there. All right, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes. Absolute goodness. All right, after about 2.5 minutes, it is done. Let me zoom in really quick so you can see. This is the ramen noodles right here. Now it's time to add, zoom out a little bit, the packaging. There's 3 packagings to this flavoration. All right, one is the oil aid. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up using our scissors because it's tough. All right, and so I'm just gonna pour this into the bowl right here. All right, look at that. Look at the oilination. Absolute goodness. All right, and then I am going to take this one. This is the powder pepper flakes, and this is the seasoner. All right, put it in there just like that. Smells fresh. Let me zoom in so you can see the texturation of this. All right, and so what you're gonna do is you want to get the oil and the flavoration down into the moisture and stir it up the way it dissolvates. And there you have it. Look at it. Ramen noodles, Mama's ramen noodles. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.